Hello, welcome back to Gloria Digital. We are taught how to digitally promote your business and increase your sales worldwide by over 1000% right from your comfort zone, and even if you have not touched a computer before. On this channel, we release digital marketing videos every day. So all you just need to get this video is subscribe to this channel and click on the notification icon so that once a new video is released, which is released every day, you always be the first to get notified. So now today's video, we're going to be looking at what you call the WordPress themes and plugins. Now we have successfully installed WordPress and we have taken a look at the WordPress dashboard. So now we're going to be looking at what you call WordPress themes and plugins. So WordPress themes and plugins are actually softwares, pieces of softwares that make WordPress powerful, that make WordPress wonderful, that will not make you code for you to build a website in WordPress. So follow up with me as we take a look at the WordPress themes and plugins. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Made Easy. Still on our first session, which is about website design, we are going to be looking at the WordPress themes and plugins. I did mention in our previous video a bit about WordPress themes and plugins, and in this video we're going to be looking at them in a little detail. WordPress themes generally are what determine the appearance or the look or feel of your website, as I've said before. And not just that, they determine how beautiful your website will look. So if your theme is beautiful, if you choose a very beautiful theme, your website will also be beautiful if you can use it very well. So why themes make WordPress websites beautiful? Plugins, on the other way around, make WordPress powerful. Now let's go to the dashboard. Under appearance, this is where you have the themes. If I come here and click on the themes now, you see that there are different themes that came with the WordPress installation. But looking at these themes, they're not really as beautiful as we want. And you can see this is this particular one is the default one. And if you look at the website, this is what it could give us. And you and I know that we won't want to use something like this. It's not as beautiful as you want. You want to give this to your website. Give this kind of website to your clients or your prospective audience. They won't even look at it. So we want something more beautiful, more lovely. And if I click on Add New, here you can upload a new theme. But you can see different options here, right? So these are some other themes that also came with WordPress installation. You can also choose anyone. Also, I'm not always comfortable with these themes because they are not as beautiful as what we want, because there are more beautiful themes out there. So how do we get those beautiful themes? There are a lot of theme selling platforms on the internet, but the most popular one is the Theme Forest, and is the most popular one, and yet having more themes, powerful and beautiful themes, or rather wonderful and lovely themes. And don't be scared, you are not going to be having to buy theme to have your website set up. You're not going to be having to buy it, but I'm actually giving you the foundational ways of getting themes, WordPress themes. And it's always advisable that any website project you are doing, get a theme that is related to that particular project. If, for instance, you are building an e-commerce website using WordPress, so just come here using this feature, come to WordPress. Under WordPress, scroll down to where you have e-commerce, you click on it, and you find different lovely themes. A lot of lovely themes for e-commerce in WordPress, so you can choose anyone. You can see lovely themes. Let's look at this particular one. Let's preview it to see how it looks. So you can see this theme now. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see, very lovely. And you don't compare this with what we'll have here. All right, so this is a very beautiful thing. And if, for instance, you buy this theme now, install it in your website, your website will look like this. So however you want your website to look, that is the kind of theme you want to choose. So you can just, maybe if your website is about e-commerce, you may want to navigate through all these themes. Try and browse through all these themes and select the particular one that you feel you love, and then buy it. And maybe if your website is about another maybe something else that is not e-commerce but it's on WordPress, let's again come to this WordPress. Under WordPress, you look for, maybe if it's a blog, you come to this blog, click on blog magazine. So to bring out different blog themes, blog or magazine themes that you can choose from. If it's about a corporate business, maybe it's just a personal business website you're setting up, you can click on this to bring out different ones relating to business website. Anyone you are doing, for instance, the real estate, just click on that. So any type of website project you are doing, get a theme related to it. That way to be easier for you and you have less work to do. However, we are not going to be buying a theme for this. For our project, for these websites, we're going to be setting up. But then where if you on your own, you want to maybe do a little maybe some practicing, or maybe just want to go more creative or crazier, and you want to maybe come and buy a theme and install it, that won't be a problem. You can do that if you have the money. But for the sake of this course, I'm not going to be having to buy a theme for what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing something else. All right, now back to our website, our WordPress dashboard. And here we just talked about the themes. Now how you can get themes and all that. Now let's talk about the plugins. Remember, this video is about the themes and the plugins. Now let's talk about the plugins. So again, come to plugins, maybe click on installed plugins to see the already available plugins installed. So normally when you install your WordPress, you always have these two plugins pre-installed, Akisme and Dolly, but in most cases we don't always need them, but they are just there. If you don't want them, you can delete them, but just leave them for now. And if, for instance, you want to extend the functionality of your website to do some magical stuff, greater stuff, you may want to use some plugins related to that particular thing you're looking for. To add your plugin, come here, click on add new. And again, there are some plugins that are in the plugins directory in WordPress, so you have them. These are they. And maybe, for instance, your website is about something real estate. You may want to search a particular plugin related to real estate. You just come here under search real estate, and you see different stuff, different things related to real estate. But this is not only what you're going to be doing. So in this course, I'm going to be giving you a special plugin. Apart from this plugins you have in the WordPress plugins directory, the other plugins also, just as you also have other themes outside the WordPress themes directory that we looked at just now. So also you have plugins that are outside this WordPress plugins directory, and those plugins are usually premium plugins. They are for sale. Okay, so those plugins can also be used to extend the functionalities of the WordPress website in a greater dimension that you can't even imagine. For instance, there will be a plugin that you can even install to even get a lot of themes, multiple themes, multi-purpose themes, and choose any particular one you want to use. All right, so I hope you did enjoy that video on WordPress themes and plugins. And if you have any question, feel free to comment to ask in the comment section, and you'll get response in less than 24 hours. So tomorrow is another day. We're going to be releasing another video tomorrow, and that we are going to be looking at how to actually edit the content of your landing page. All right, so I'm going to be looking at creating a landing page part 2, and the first part of creating a landing page, you're going to be looking at that tomorrow. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified tomorrow once a new video is released. So just click on the subscribe button, and then that notification icon, that is the bell icon you see there, so that once that video is released tomorrow, you'll be the first to get notified. So see you tomorrow.